How's it going, guys? Electron man. Well, I'm gonna do you a little update today. I've done a couple videos on these Barrina shop lights, these 8-foot 72-watt shop lights, and I've just absolutely loved them. Well, the other day I come out to the shop and it seemed like it was dimmer in here, and I'm just like, I wonder why it just feels dimmer. And I looked around and they were all lit, and I was just like, it just seems like it's dimmer around here. I don't know what the deal is. But then I got to looking real close, and let me show you what's going on here, guys. If you look here, you can really tell on that one. But as you can see, it's because these are real cool lights as far as they have a V, and there's 2 rows of lights inside of it. That's why it lights it up so good. But if you look real close here, especially when I get at this angle here, you can see one half of the rows go, and just this is not working at all. And as you can see on the other row, it's got, golly, probably 8 or 10 LEDs out, which they've been slowly. I've had them for 2 years, and I burn them about 12 to 14 hours a day. So, losing an LED here or there hasn't really bothered me. So I hadn't really thought a whole lot about it. But obviously, losing a whole half of a light is a pretty big deal. And the weird thing is it happened to 2 of them basically at the same time. Or maybe one of them went and didn't have enough effect, and then when the second one went, it did it. And it's these 2 that I work over my bench mainly. The other one's right here. I'll walk over here, see, it looks real bright that way, but then when you get... And it's the same side that went out on them too, which is kind of interesting, but I guess it's the right side or whatever. It doesn't... Anyway, one side of them went out, it's the same side. But as you can see, now the rest of them are still burning just fine. There is, on all of them, all but 2, I think, there's, some LEDs out. I think that one's got like 6 or 7 LEDs out. And that one there doesn't have any LEDs out, I don't believe. And that one back there doesn't have any LEDs out. And this one here actually has quite a few of them out too. It's got, I don't know, 6 or 7 of them out. But anyway, I just, I've really bragged about them, and they are awesome lights. I mean, they light the shop up something wonderful. Well, long story short is I went out and looked online where, I purchased it on Amazon, and I went and looked online, and I saw they had a 3-year warranty, and I actually bought these, I think it was about February of 2020. So they're right at exactly almost 2 years old. I actually, the first video I did on them was like in April, so it might have been about a month before I got them installed. But basically, they've been running for 2 years. So they had a 3-year warranty on them. So I thought, well, let's see how good that warranty is. I didn't put a whole lot of hope out, stuff like this. Usually, you don't have any luck. So anyway, I called the manufacturer up, or actually, I contacted the manufacturer and the seller and said, hey, I've got 2 of them that half of them are out, and the other ones are, seem to have a few LEDs going out. What do we have as far as warranty? I've done a couple videos before, guys, on companies whenever they've done me wrong. I've got one on the Home Depot as far as the mower I purchased. Anyway, I'm not afraid to get out there and let people know when something goes wrong, or I feel like a company's not supporting their product or treating their customer right. Well, in this case, total opposite. Let me tell you, totally impressed. Got a hold of them, explained the situation. They said no problem at all. They're under warranty. We'll send you 6 brand new ones out to replace those. In 5 days, folks, check it out. Got me a brand new pack of 6. Free shipping, free everything. 5 days. From the time I called them until I got them, it was 5 days. I mean, outstanding customer service. Didn't give me any issue. The only thing they asked for is a couple photo pictures of the lights is what I was having a problem with. And obviously a sales receipt showing that I purchased them. And boom, I have 6 brand new lights. And the cool thing is they are the brackets and everything. So it's, it's going to take me 30 minutes to replace all these, which is another cool thing is they tell me, you don't have to worry about sending those back. We verified you purchased them, and we see they're defective. Just throw them away. So I don't even have to mess with repacking them. Get to put brand new lights in here, just like it was 2 years ago. Get her bright as, and not have any LEDs out. Anyway, like I said, I want to give Barrina and their company, which I'll send a link to where I purchased them at through Amazon, a super thumbs up. I'm totally impressed. You really stand behind your product. I couldn't be happier, and And I actually I want other people to know this, that if you do purchase it and you have a problem, you stand behind your product, and you're one of the good ones. Anyway, this is a short video. I just wanted to kind of give you an update on that. I'm gonna get my ladder out here and get these guys replaced and get them back up. Like I said, it's not gonna take like 30 minutes since the brackets and everything are the same. But I just thought it was really cool. That we have there's some companies out there still that stand behind their products 100%. They said 3 years, they meant 3 years. There wasn't no him hawing around in it at all. They just said, sure, here you go, and sent me 6 brand new lights. Have a great day, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up it, and hit that bell whenever I put new videos out. You'll know it then.